Everybody, so I got a quick mail call to do from TNT, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, so I got a envelope in the mail from Tools and Trash, also known as TNT on YouTube. I'll put a card up here for his channel if you guys want to go check him out. I blocked out his address, and I already opened it, so I already know what was in it. We're just gonna quickly open it. He sent me a Tools and Trash sticker, which probably is gonna go on the orange cart. Or I could put it down here on the red one, but I could probably put it on the red cart. It'll fit right here. And actually fit right there. I put it right there. But it's just a quick little mail call. I appreciate the sticker, Tools and Trash. If I remember correctly, I believe his name is Alex. I could be wrong. You know, TNT, if you watch this video, just put a comment down below. I think that's what everybody was calling you on the live streams. But if I'm wrong, it's alright. I get names wrong all the time. But I do appreciate the sticker, man. Thank you so much for sending it. I appreciate it. And we'll figure out which box to put it on. I might be putting it on a box in the living room. I don't know. Or not the living room, but the garage. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.